Hey there guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add a login bar to your Wix website. So I am inside your website editor, and right here I'm just going to click on add elements, and from here we just want to click on search and search for login bar. So you will see this login bar. If we click on it, it's under the community tab right here at the very bottom. So you will see login bar, and if we want to add it, we will simply drag this and drop it right here. And now we can set up this login bar by clicking on this button to set up login bar. And what does the bar say before you log in? You can customize this text. So we can do hop in, show greeting before name. So you can do hello and the person's name. And then what's the logout message? You can also put a logout message here. Now you can manage the member sign up settings if we click on here. So we can either do new member sign up, existing member login, and we can just click on done here. Community, so you can enable Google login, Facebook login, and public profiles. In here you can show a link to your terms of service, privacy policy, and you can choose this last option as well. But basically after you have set this up, you can click on done here. And that's it. That's how you add a login page or login bar to your Wix website. So hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.